Hey, all Bear here. Look here. I was at the great old Wally World, and I was cruising through the aisles, and lo and behold, they got this big flag out there. It says new for sub $6, like $5.97 or something like that. You know, they help you out with the psychology so it doesn't feel as bad when you put in the cart. It's not $6, it's like $5.97, $5.98, something like that. We've got a mess kit. And stainless steel even. You know, I bought another cheapy mess kit like this, one of the aluminum ones I was going to review, and I guess I still have it. I'm going to have to review it because I don't like it. But anyways, we'll talk about this one and see if this one fixes my issues. So, there we go. Ozark Trail 5-piece mess kit. It says it's lightweight, compact stainless steel, easy to clean. All the pieces nest together for easy storage. It includes a 6.7-inch fry pan, a 6.5-inch plate, a 7-ounce cup, 1 lid, and a 1/2 quart pot. Taped it for no tampering. All right, let's see what we got here. So there we go, there's the set. And let's see what it weighs in at first before we do anything else. We're 14.3 ounces. Whoops, I went past it. Or 405 grams. Alright. I do have a little bit of packaging in there, so I guess we could take this packaging out. It's tissue paper though. I mean, come on, how much does it weigh? I think we're close enough. The tissue paper was 3 grams. Alright, there we go. So there we go, there's our pot and lid. The pot and the lid is 199 grams or 7 ounces. Our little cup, and the little cup here, you see up in there, it's got some measurement marks. Let's see, oh, there they are. So we got a 3 ounce, a 5 ounce, and 7 ounces to the very lip. Okay. So if you did a 3 ounce and a 5 ounce measure, you could get 1 cup. So that guy is a 1/2 ounce or 14 grams. Our fry pan is 111 grams, 3.9 ounces, and our plate / lid is 2.7 ounces or 77 grams. So there we go, there's our little cook set. Let's see, a 1/2 quart. A quart is 32 ounces. So a 1/2 quart is 16 ounces or 2 cups. So we should be able to put 2 cups of water in here, just enough to cover boiling one of our mountain houses. Now your handle is just a touch lower than that guy. But my problem with the old stove, my problem with the other set is solved with this set. My other set, if I took my pan and set it on the stove like this, it would flop over empty because the handle was so heavy versus the pot. It's really, really thin, y'all. I don't lie about that. Hear that? It's probably hurting your ears. I'm sorry. So it is really, really thin, but I think we should cook something in it. So we'll do a part 2. This here's a quick look for you. You see what it is? It nests together. Let's see here. That guy, the handle. Now this is kind of nice. The handle locks. Wow. Okay, I like that. The handle locks up. Then you push it down to fold it over. Our cup goes in the pot. Lid on the pot. Let's see here. Hey, she locks pretty good, y'all. I don't guess I can be mad about that. I mean, she locks up nice. Let's see here. Let's get this Nalgene bottle out so you get a little size comparison. Okay, there's our Nalgene bottle. Here's our cook set. All right. I don't have a lot else to say about it. Of course, it is made in China. See that printed right here. But, you know, the quality is not that bad. And the handle doesn't quite match up. It's not quite square, you know, as to with what it does. But, I mean, come on. For less than $6, $5.97, I'm not mad at this little set. I think we should do a gourmet meal on it. We should do that. And we're going to do that in a Canteen Cup Tuesday coming up soon. We're going to cook a gourmet meal on this set. And see what we can do. There we go. Well, there's a budget option for you. I just thought I'd show it to you. I was kind of surprised when I saw it and saw it for $6 and it's stainless steel and everything. So we'll see you on the trail.